Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can send from your Binance account to another account any crypto that you have. Okay, so first step, once we are logging in our account, here where it says more, we have to go where it says pay. That is kind of a Binance Pay, okay, Binance Pay system. Okay, here we are. Okay, so once we are here, we have our user name. That is, in my case, is this one because I haven't changed, and I guess it gives me randomly. But the most important thing is the Binance ID, that this is your personal Binance ID, and if you have to pay to someone, you should have the other person or the other accounts this ID in order to send him or her. It can be also an email address or telephone number, but usually is through this Binance ID. So once we know that, we have to go where it says send, besides me, okay, here. So we click on send, and here is asking me the email or phone. As I said, I do have his email address because he didn't give me the ID, but it's the same, so don't worry. Just hit on continue, and it says this is the person and the currency, the cryptocurrency. If we hit on that, we will see we have a ton. For example, our cryptocurrency that we have, ton, and the value of all my cryptocurrencies together, ton cryptocurrencies together, 1.95, and docs is 0.79. In this case, I have to send $20, but as you see, I have only this one. Why is this? Where are the other, like USDC, that it says I have none, when indeed I have it? There is something that we have to know. In our overview, the assets in the spots are going to show the ton, and the other one, the docs, and those from the spot are only the cryptos which I can pay with. But where is because the rest I have them on earn. If I go to earn, you will see I have many more cryptocurrencies. That's because I got them all in earn. For example, in this case, I'm gonna send him USDC, and I have here, as I see. So what we have to do, as it says, I have $53.68 and I need to send $20. So I have to redeem $20. So for example, 20, and to spot wallet, yes, because as I said, I can just pay from spot wallet to another user. So confirm, because $20 they have gone to spot wallet. Okay, perfect. Just let me check spot, and here we have $20, 99.99. okay, USDC. Perfect. So now we are going to do the same process. Go to more, go to pay. Here we are sent to Binance ID, no, to the email. And now I got USDC. Perfect. 99.99. This is what we are talking about. So we say USDC. So I have to say 20 USDC. Okay, yeah, I have 20 USDC. Okay, the value is 99.99. It's $20. So we are ready, we confirm, and it says authenticator app verification that I have in my phone. So let's authenticate. Perfect. So it says payment successful. So this is how we have done the payment to another user. So I hope it has been easy to follow. Give me a like, comment me in the video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.